The Indian Constitution is one of the longest written documents in the world. This animated diagram shows how the preamble functions as its essential summary, condensing hundreds of pages of legal text into a single page of core principles. This page serves as a formal introduction. It lists the fundamental objectives and philosophy that the rest of the document is designed to enforce. To understand the document's scale, look at these numbers. The Constitution is divided into 25 parts and 12 schedules, containing nearly 470 individual articles. These provisions are not static. In 1976, the 42nd Amendment introduced a series of changes across the document. Because the revision was so extensive, it is frequently referred to as the mini-constitution. Mastering the specific sequence of the preamble and its amendments provides the framework necessary to navigate complex constitutional questions in competitive exams. This portrait shows Jawaharlal Nehru. In December 1946, he presented the Objective Resolution to the Constituent Assembly, defining the new nation's goals. Track the preamble's origin with the mnemonic, Nehru's dream became India's preamble. Lock in the chronology. 46 dream, 49 adopt, 50 start. The resolution moved in December 1946, was adopted in November 1949, and implemented in January 1950. Global events influenced the preamble's wording. This phonograph shows the Russian Revolution, which, alongside the French Revolution, inspired the ideals of justice and liberty. The preamble opens with a specific keyword sequence. On the left, SSDR, Sovereign, Socialist, Democratic, Republic. On the right, JLEF, Justice, Liberty, Equality, Fraternity. Connect both using the phrase, Smart students drive results, just learn every fact. This is Indira Gandhi. During the 1976 emergency, her government enacted the 42nd Amendment. This remains the only time the preamble has been modified. To remember the 3 words added in 1976, think SSI, or Indira Strengthened India. The amendment inserted the words socialist, secular, and integrity. This led to major Supreme Court cases. The central debate: was the preamble an actual part of the Constitution or merely a non-binding preface? Track the court's stance using BKLS. First, the 1960 Berubari case ruled the preamble is not a part. The 1973 Kesavananda case reversed this, ruling it is a part. The LIC and Bommai cases later affirmed this protected constitutional structure. Today, the preamble is recognized as part of the basic structure. This ensures its core values cannot be removed or altered, even by an act of parliament. Let's apply this to a CDS exam question. Review these 2 statements. Statement 1 is incorrect. Applying the SSDR sequence, socialist appears before secular. Statement 2 is correct. Our JLEF mnemonic places justice before equality. These patterns provide immediate clarity during exams. These tools help you navigate different exam formats. They allow you to quickly resolve objective questions and provide the factual foundation needed to structure arguments in descriptive papers. This revision chart combines the historical timeline, the keyword sequences, and the Supreme Court rulings. You can save this for your final review. Mastering the Constitution requires a structured approach for every topic. At New Careers Academy, we provide the legacy and the specific methods needed to clear elite exams. Contact us today to join our next session.